What's up guys? In this video we will talk about a new tablet with good specifications that doesn't break the bank. The LincPlus T3 tablet has 10.36-inch display with 2K resolution, Helio G99 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, 7000 mAh battery with 20 watts fast charging support. The price of the new tablet is $169 on Amazon. You can also use a $10 off coupon code. I will leave the link in description under the video. So without further ado, let's get into a full review of the LincPlus T3 tablet. On the box we can see a life-size image of the tablet. There is also a LincPlus logo and some information about the manufacturer on the sides. There is no specifications list on the box, but I will tell you all about the tablet in this video. Inside the box we have a tablet itself, USB Type-C charging cable, power adapter, and a very modest user manual. However, the manual has a specifications list and a tablet design description. I think that nothing more is needed. As you might guess from the title, LincPlus T3 is the third tablet in the lineup and the company's third tablet overall. In fact, the company makes more laptops than tablets. Perhaps in the future we will test a laptop on our channel Tech Brothers, but right now we have a tablet. The LincPlus T3 is a pretty compact tablet by 2023 standards. In addition, it is very lightweight. The dimensions are 250 by 158 by 8 mm. The weight is 470 grams. By the way, I like the rounded edges of the tablet, so it is very comfortable to hold. I know straight edges are trending in 2023, like the latest iPhones, but I prefer the rounded edges. What do you think? The body of the tablet looks like metal, but I am not sure it is metal. It feels like plastic to touch. I see 2 speakers on each side. The LincPlus T3 tablet has a total of 4 speakers. That's very good. There's also a USB Type-C charging port on the right side, a microphone, volume up and down, power buttons are on the top, and the microSD card slot is on the bottom. The tablet doesn't support SIM cards, but you can use a memory card up to 512 gigs. Now let's take a look at the front panel. Here we have a 10.36-inch IPS display with 2K resolution, 2000 by 1200 pixels. The tablet cannot be called bezel-less, because the bezel's about 9 mm thick. However, all tablets in 2023 have bezels, especially the budget ones. For some reason, smartphones have almost completely gotten rid of bezels, while tablets still have them. Given the small diagonal and high resolution, the display is very clear. I think this tablet will be good even for reading books. However, it seems to me that the LincPlus T3 is designed for entertainment or watching videos because it has a Widevine L1 certification. There are 3 security levels of Widevine certification, and L1 is the highest one. That means you can legally watch Netflix, HBO, Disney+, Prime Video, and other streaming services on this tablet. If the tablet is meant for watching videos, let's check the quality of the speakers. As I said before, LincPlus T3 tablet is equipped with 4 speakers. First, let's listen to some music.
Get out of the car. You can't tell me what to do! Get out of the freaking car!
The volume is very high, and the overall sound quality is decent. You can watch movies in the large room, for example in the kitchen, and hear everything well. Before we talk about performance of the tablet, I want to say a few words about the software. It looks like the LincPlus T3 runs on the stock Android 13 operating system. There is no bloatware here. All the pre-installed apps are from Google, such as YouTube, Chrome, Maps, etc. However, you can download any app from the Google Play Store. The software is a big advantage of this tablet, because it is fast, clean and very nice. So we have established that the tablet is good for watching videos. But what about gaming? LincPlus T3 is equipped with good chipset, Helio G99, as well as 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. By the way, the tablet uses UFS 2.2 storage technology, which is not the latest version, but it is still better than eMMC memory. First, let's run some benchmarks and then play games. I think you are most interested in Antutu. The LincPlus T3 tablet has 388,906 points in this benchmark. It is a very good result for a budget tablet. In the single-core test of Geekbench 6, the tablet scores 738 points. In the multi-core test of the same benchmark, the result is 2050 points. I also want to run 3D Mark benchmark on the new LincPlus tablet. The overall score in the wildlife test is 1243 points. You know, the tablet has very good results in benchmarks, and I think it will not have any problems with games. Let's check it out. So I have installed Asphalt 9, Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact on the LincPlus T3 tablet. Let's play all of them. You know, the tablet doesn't have any problems with Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty. As for the PUBG Mobile, it also runs very well. The maximum graphics is HD and FPS is high. Genshin Impact is also playable on the new LincPlus tablet. It is the most demanding game I have tried before. As you can see, the tablet is good, not only for watching videos, but even playing games. I am very surprised. You know, I think that the front camera is more important on the tablet than the main camera, because more often you use the tablet for video calls than for taking photos or videos. However, LincPlus T3 still has a better main camera than the front one. There is a 13 megapixels sensor on the rear panel and 8 megapixel sensor on the front. In the camera app we have only picture and video modes. You can also go to the settings and see the maximum picture size of 13 megapixels. You know, the tablet even has electronic image stabilization in the video settings. The maximum video resolution is 2K. I took some sample photos and videos on the main and front camera. Do you think the quality is good for a budget tablet? Write in the comments below. Finally, let's talk about the battery of the new LincPlus T3 tablet. The battery capacity is 7000 mAh and it also supports 20 watts fast charging. LincPlus T3 is a compact and a thin tablet, so I didn't expect a long battery life from it. However, the battery life in PC Mark benchmark is a little more than 12 hours. This is a very good result. As for the charging time, the full battery charge takes 2 hours and 51 minutes. Let's talk a bit about connectivity options. As I said before, LincPlus T3 doesn't support SIM cards, but it has dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 support. GPS, Baidu, GLONASS, and Galileo are also available, so you can use tablet for car navigation, for example. Before I started the review of this tablet, I thought it was designed for watching YouTube videos, movies, and shows on streaming services. The tablet is really good for that, thanks to high-quality 2K display, Widevine L1 support for legally watching streaming services, and 4 speakers. However, LincPlus T3 has a very good performance as well. Helio G99 chipset and 8GB of RAM provide amazing gaming performance for a budget tablet. You can even play Genshin Impact without any lags or slowdowns. I was also bought off by the stock Android 13 operating system. There is no bloatware here, and the system runs very fast and smoothly. Perhaps the only drawback for me is the lack of SIM support. You can only use Wi-Fi to access global networks. Overall, this is a very decent budget tablet. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!